Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. Got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. Today's a special episode. It is the last group ride of the year that's leaving from Last Mile PEV in the West Village. So you've seen me go to Last Mile in the past, but this time I'm going to show you the ride itself. And then of course at the end we're going to get some food at a pizza spot called Artichoke Basil. We got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. So Last Mile's over in the West Village. I'm just cutting across Houston right now to get there. Like I was saying, it's the final group ride of the year. So there's gonna be some Christmas spirit in the air, which will be cool. I got the flag out. I got the NYC Zoos Club flag out, flying proud. This is the first group ride where I am flying the flag myself. Last time Carlos did it. It's also SantaCon, so we're gonna see a lot of Christmas craziness going on today, I'm sure, in our travels. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to show you everything on this ride, but I will try to pick the highlights and give you 8 minutes of glory, and that includes the food at the end, so it should be good. All right, just crossing over 6th Avenue and getting into Greenwich Village right now. It's not far from here. All right, pulling up to Last Mile right now here on West 4th Street. I'll probably be, oh, I thought I was gonna be first, but I'm not. What's up?
Yo, shit.
Good to see you. It's Frantic TV Santa Claus in the house. What's up? Good to see you, man.
What's up, man?
Yeah, that's what we need.
I wanna. You want to get fine. I'm done with it.
You good?
You good?
Yeah, it's a good bike.
I'm not free.
Everybody that knows there's a bike in the area. So it's kind of like What's up, Johnny?
What's up?
Coming up is at 518-357. Are you gonna go to the front desk?
Yeah.
Chat with me.
Yeah, so
How cool is this?
It's pretty great.
How fucking cool is this? 273 yards. Went up there. Only way here, baby.
5-0's picking the route.
5-0's picking the route, baby.
This is awesome.
How cool is this, bro? I really want to like take photos and videos, but I can't.
All right, we're off. We have a police escort. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna try to drop back in the cut a little bit so that you can see how many people are with us. Although I could just spin the camera right now. I should have brought some Christmas music.
Can we play some Christmas music?
Yeah, we gotta get some Christmas music. I wish I brought my speaker. Nice. I hear the Christmas music now. Little wheeling.
Johnny Prime in the house.
Hey! Look at us, man. We're like brothers now. I love this.
Huh?
It's so cool. We're like brothers.
Yes, sir.
It's got to be the first ever police escort of an e-bike ride in New York City. Kelvin making history. The only problem is we're going real slow. Oh my God. SantaCon at IHOP? Oh no, Coyote Ugly. I thought that line was for IHOP.
I can't believe the amount of Santas out today.
I know,
like,
it's
people are
nuts.
Still doing it.
I know, it's crazy.
More than I thought.
Me too. There's so much blowback now against it too. gonna turn down Fifth Avenue. Nice little direct sun, facing the sun. Santa, did I tell you what I want for Christmas? Oh, there you are. What I want for Christmas. Frantic TV to go global. Got a herd of Santas to our right. Fifth Avenue is fun because it's a wide avenue, and there's a couple of bus lanes on it, so if there's not a lot of bus traffic, you can just sort of bomb it and take over. But on other days, it's very, very crowded.
These guys got a flat back there.
Oh shit! You know which one?
With the blonde hair, I think.
Oh, okay, okay. Yo, we got a flat? Huh? Someone got a flat. Who?
The aftermath of a alien invasion. Steven got a mega flat. Damn, dude. It looks like you had a fight with some aliens. Back on 2.
If that's the case,
All right, let's roll.
Okay.
Let's roll.
there's a lot of big catering companies on here.
There's both artichoke and basil on this pizza.
Give me a little bit of that because it's now colder.
That's all it takes.
I'm glad. We were worried. We were waiting for like. That's it. We did it. Giant group ride. Followed up with some pizza at the end. Around the hood in 8 minutes. Only on Frantic TV.